Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can upload a video from Capcut to TikTok in PC. So let's get started. First go to the export button and click to export, and here give a name, and now here you can select your destination from here, and here select your resolution, and after all set click export. Now
It's a
will
bit
be
of a
export.
secret, but let me clue
Now
you
it's
in on something.
exported. Now here you can see two options. One is TikTok, another one is YouTube. You can upload this video in TikTok by signing from here. After signing, then you can upload it from here, and you can allow comment, duet, and stitch. And after signing, then click share. Then it will be uploaded in your TikTok account. So this is how you can upload a video from Capcut PC to TikTok from a PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.